I'm gonna be doing some housework and reorganization in pantyhose. So you'll see how Layla does some work around her home. So right now I'm watering my pantyhose. Her name is Polly, and sometimes she needs a little extra love and care so that she can express herself. You can see I'm wearing some pantyhose from We Love Colors. So yeah, on the top of my shelf on some boxes. I could do better with this, but I actually had to have some work done in my home because there was a mouse in my house. And Layla did not fare well when she saw the mouse. I fully jumped up on a chair like in a cartoon. So the reason I'm doing all this like stuff is a lot of my stuff was moved around so that I could have some help getting my house mouse proofed. So now I'm just putting back my house. And also I'm gonna be moving around some furniture because I don't know, I've decided that I don't like the way some of the things are in my home. So yeah, I like to kind of spread out her leaves so that she can do whatever she wants. She's on some boxes because I'm afraid to put her hanging. I don't know how to screw anything into the ceiling, and it's also a rental, so I don't want to be on the hook for messing up something in the ceiling. Also, I have to use a ladder, obviously. So next, we are going to move some furniture around. I'm moving this big thing into my bedroom because I don't love that it's like blocking off my mirror. I feel like it's just a little too much. My roses are dead, so I gotta move my plants. I don't have a ton of stuff on there anyway. And I'm moving it into my bedroom. I'm gonna see if I'm strong enough to lift it to put some weights. Strong enough to put some little foam things on the bottom so that I don't scratch my floor, but I don't know if I am. Oh, I am so strong. One, maybe you can't see the angle, but I'm on the floor lifting up the tall thing. The bookcase, the tall thing. My God, as if I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I feel like this might scratch my floor if I don't have these. Oh yeah, it already is. Shit. My friend gave me this little bookcase situation. Oh, that one didn't take. So, okay, we're almost done. We're doing it. Oh my gosh. I'm a strong, independent woman. But it would also be nice if someone could do this stuff for me. Okay, excuse me, my nose. Thank you. Okay, this should work much better. Whee! Ooh, the foam things are making it so much easier to move. Whee! I am so proud of myself right now. I'll take you with me a little bit so you can see. It's gonna go right here. It might be overlappy a little bit, but TBH, I will tolerate that. Today is an organization day. Oh, it's just gonna make it. Organization day plus cleaning day. Whee! My God, I'm doing it. I feel like as an adult, there's never enough hours in the day. Okay, this works. Oh my God, this fits. Fuck yeah. Whoops. Gonna have to bleep that one out. Okay, yeah, this works good. Yay! Yay! Also, one of my favorite movies is... Shit. I'm gonna have to have a lot of bleeps. The Nightmare Before Christmas. Jack and Sally Skellington. I have the pops. I'm gonna reorganize everything. Oh. Okay. And now we are gonna move this guy over there where it was. It's just, I didn't like the big bookcase there because it was just so much. But you'll get to see just like how unorganized I am. Not unorganized, but like I need to get it together a little bit. Honestly and truly. Whee! Ideally, I wouldn't really have anything here, but sometimes you just have too much furniture all of a sudden. But I think this will go well here. It'll be good for some planties. I also have to I have to clean up so much stuff, but that's okay. Onward and upward. We are making steady progress. But so that's me moving stuff around. I'm gonna put, this plant is called Petey. Petey was my very first plant that I've ever been able to keep alive. I have to clean all of this and reorganize it. I'm trying to regrow an orchid, but it's not necessarily thriving, to say the least. But Petey was my first plant that I kept alive before I got Milo. And I had said, if I can keep a plant alive, I can get a dog. They are not the same thing. So that was absolutely ridiculous. But I've had Petey for 7 years, 6.5, 7 years. And gonna put this spider plant here. Name is Sally. Fun fact, spider plants are natural air purifiers. So I think one small plant can purify a room the size of my bedroom or something. Also, I was gifted this magic 8-ball. Isn't it awesome? It's very nostalgic. Will I get all of my work done today? As I see it, yes. Yay! Okay, so there's still a lot of work that I have to do, but this is kind of how it's gonna be. And I'm just gonna be wearing this fit. I like to wear pantyhose when I do host things because it's light, flexible, but also keeps me warm, but not too warm. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a great day. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I have a Patreon.